My name is Andreas Berberich and I'm an application engineer at Pfannenberg. In the event of a malfunction or error message, it is important to find a solution quickly and easily in order to prevent damage and not jeopardize the value chain. But the physical visit of a service technician can take time that is often not available and would not even be necessary. Quickly, easily and securely, customers can now access our technical remote support, allowing a service technician to be reached with just a few clicks. An augmented reality tool is used, which allows us to directly connect a video call with the customer on site and interact with the customer thanks to additional features of the tool. In this way, from now on, our service technician can directly assess the damaged product, and thanks to the options by means of notes that can be seen by all participants, can give instructions and advice to the employees on site. This not only saves a lot of time until the repair, but also allows diagnosis of error messages to be determined and responded to accordingly.